Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram music if it's not showing all songs. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, or easy fixes right here, close Instagram entirely, then find the app icon. If you're using iOS, go ahead and go to the settings section or settings app and just offload Instagram. Okay, for Android, tap and hold, tap on the information icon, wait for it to load. Once it loads, gotta scroll down a bit, go to storage, and tap on clear cache. And once that's done, tap on clear data. Okay. After that, close the settings section and then go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store. Find Instagram. Just like so, tap on it, and then go ahead and update Instagram if there are updates available. Once updated, you can now go ahead and test it out. Just open it up, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you should be good to go. If that still won't work, go ahead over to your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines, and make sure that your account is not a business or professional account. Okay? Make sure that you're using a personal account if you want all music to be available, or almost all music to be available. So go ahead and scroll down a bit. Under here, we have 4 professionals. Okay? You can go ahead and tap on account type and tools. And make sure again, under account type, tap on it and set it to personal account. And by the way, if you're using VPN, you might want to turn it off, as VPN can restrict access to licensed music based on location. So disabling it may help. All right. And I would like to inform you that not all music in the world is available on Instagram or even Facebook or even YouTube. Okay. But that's it for now. Those are the ways to fix Instagram if in the music section it's not showing all the songs. All right. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.